So this is my final unboxing for my new PC that arrived yesterday on Thursday the 16th of April. So it's an Antec casing. It's the P193 of the Performance 1 series of Antec. It has a side fan. That's awesome. And it has a quiet computing label. So let's open it up. I need my knife for it, so hold on. Okay. Away again. So this is manual ways to fit it, how to use the brackets of the hard disks. Cool, plain and simple manual instruction for if it is your first time. So let me get me this out of the box. So yeah, this is the case out of the box. Side fan, quite huge side fan, huge part that sticks out. Let me get a ruler for a moment. That says 3 centimeters sticking out total till here. So the back of the casing, it has a template already. It has a back fan. It has some slots. I will need 2 slots for the graphical card and 1 for the sound card. I will let the rest stay put. Then you have 2 water pipes holes. And then you have the power supply bracket and the bay itself. So that's good. And then you have here on the top, you have 3 fan controls for this fan over here, the other one over here, the one in the back. And you even have, I don't see it right now, you even have a fan control for this side fan, which is quite huge. And then you have a filter for the side fan, which is good. So let me open it up. 2 easy to remove screws. The other side is also easy to remove screws, so let me open that one up as well. Oh, they are a bit tighter, so we'll let them be in place. you can slide it to the left and then like this, and that's a huge side fan. Don't know if you can see it that clear, but it has a huge side fan. With a connector. And even a vent control. Huge fan. Don't know how huge this is, but I think it will be approximately 10 centimeters. Let me get that ruler again. Let me be sure. It's even 20 centimeters in diameter. 20 centimeter fan. Wow. And the top fans are, what are they? They are like, let me see, this ruler is a bit dull in all those years. 14 centimeters, 13, 14 centimeters, and the back fan is 12. Wow. Okay, let me get that side cover out of the way. And then we have the box with the screws and such. Not quite easy to remove the inside of the case. Let me go back a bit so you can see it clearly. So that's the lower part, where you have a hard disk bay on the right and the power supply unit on the left. And then you have the top part for the motherboard, the optical disk drives, optional hard drives, but you can also install a fan in here. It has clips for it. It has the Molex connectors for the fans to power them up, get them fan control. What's this? Corrosion inhibitor paper. Face opposite side to the metal. Okay, so then you can resist corrosion. Okay, so that's cool. Need to find out the use for this. So here you have 2 more screws. This is actually better than my current Performance 1, my Performance 1 P193. This is from metal now, from aluminium. My current is from plastic. So this is better. This has better materials. This is also the plus side of the plastic one, is that you can slide it around. This is just tied in place. So you can only remove this bit and this bit. But it's cool. You can even put a fan in the middle between the power supply unit and the driving bay. Oh, that's quite tight actually. And then you have the, let me show you the front. You can fold that completely to the back. If you have the side panel on, it will stick to it. And you have here one dust gate, the way I want to call it, and the other disc gate. This is a 3.5 inch bay for disk drive or card reader, and here you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.25 bays for optical disk drives and such. 2 USB connectors, external SATA, a key lock so you can actually lock it, power button, reset button, LED, and 2 audio jacks down here. Don't know if you can see this side that well because it's in the shadows a bit. Oh, wait a minute, I don't have my ceiling light on. Bit better this, so you can actually see it a bit better that way. Quite a huge casing to actually put it on the image, but this way you have a better view of the casing. So yeah, quite happy with this actually. I'm quite happy with Antec in general. So let me see if I can. Where was my screwdriver the last time? Have it here. So I don't going to put them that tight with the screwdriver, but I want to show you this because it's the same as with my P193. It has a screw cabinet on the back of the top hard drive casing bay. That's good, because you can put it down for a moment. You can actually put your screws in there. So that's good. That screw is even tighter. Don't want to ruin it, but it doesn't have a screw case. So yeah, that's it for this one actually. So if you want to see one of my other reviews, other unboxings, you can click this annotation right here. And this is it for now.